Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. So you can see right in front of you I have this big mess created by myself just to prove it to you that you can clean every stain out of your white clothes by using the solutions that I'm gonna make today. So one of the solution is homemade by using the cleaning supplies that I have in my house, and one I purchased from the market. So I'm gonna use both of those solutions to clean this messy pillow cover. So I have this messy pillow cover because I happen to spill some tea on it, and sometimes we have some kitchen ingredients like paprika or turmeric which we are using, and they spill on our white clothes or the light color dresses that we are wearing, and we are all worried, and sometimes we are on a budget or we have emotional attachment to our dresses and we don't want to throw them away. Or maybe sometimes you are opening a soda can and it gushes out of the soda and ruins your dress. Here I have some of the ingredients or products from the kitchen. Here I have turmeric, and then ketchup, soda, and then prune juice. I think all these products are very staining on our light colored clothes. So here what we're gonna do first is very quickly I'm gonna pour this juice, and then I'm gonna pour soda, ketchup, and turmeric all over this pillow cover. So this pillow cover has this little stain from the tea that I happened to spill on it a few months ago, and then I stopped using it. But now that I have the formula to clean it, so I'm gonna make it even more messier to prove myself and to you that I can clean everything by just using those two solutions. So keep on watching the video till the end. So here I've put all the juice and ketchup and soda, and I'm gonna just spread it on the pillow cover so that it's deep inside the fabric. I'm using here some water to make it even more messier. So here you see I'm almost done spreading all the products that are very staining: turmeric, soda, prune juice, and ketchup. And then I'm gonna wait for like half an hour, and then I'm gonna come back, and here I am back making the magical solution. So first of all, you're gonna take some white vinegar, distilled white vinegar. We all have this in our house. So just pour like 2 tablespoons of the white vinegar, and here is hydrogen peroxide. So just pour some of the hydrogen peroxide inside the vinegar, about 5 tablespoons you can say. And then we have our baking soda. So I did not have the other baking soda, so I'm just gonna use the one that I put in my fridge to make it smell free. So you see the solution is almost ready, and the last thing we're gonna do is that we're gonna put some dish soap inside the solution, and now we'll spread the solution onto the mess that we created. We're just gonna take a paper towel and remove the products that we use, just a little bit cleaning here, and then spread the whole mixture on the pillow cover. So here I'm just placing the whole mixture onto that pillow cover. See guys, this is so messy. So I'm just gonna take a toothbrush now and continue adding some of the baking soda and keep rub and brush while still adding some of the hydrogen peroxide and vinegar if you want. And see, it looks so dirty but so messy, but in the end you're gonna see that it's completely clean and it's gonna give us a unbelievable result. So here I just washed the pillow cover once with cold water. I just rinsed off all the mess and just kept using the same three ingredients: hydrogen peroxide, vinegar, and baking soda. And I just kept using the toothbrush, rubbing. And here you see I just washed it one more time, and the only thing I'm left with is the turmeric stain and that little tea stain on the right side. So now I'm gonna use this is Folex carpet spot removal solution. So this is a magical solution, and as you can see, I'm just spraying it, and it's turning the stains into purple. So it's gonna act in an instant. Just wait for like 4 or 5 minutes. And here is the pillow cover, and I'm sure you are unable to believe in your own eyes, because this is the same dirty pillow cover. I just washed it with warm water in my washer. You can also use hot water. You see the pillow cover is completely clean. It does not have any stain, just this little very faint tea stain, and other than that all the stains are gone. So a good tip is that you should use these solutions as soon as you have a stain on your clothes, and do not wait like me for like 1 month, because I still have that small little stain, that is the tea stain, because I waited for like a month or so to clean that. So if you are active and use these ingredients within like a day or two, your clothes will be as clean as new. So if your kids now happen to spill some chocolate milk, or if your husband happen to spill some tea on his clothes, just assure them that you can clean them, and they don't have to worry about it anymore. So here is the same pillow cover. It's dry now, and I don't see any marks on it. So no stains, no more stains. It's completely clean. If you don't believe me, you can try it by yourself. And I have all the details in the description about the ingredients that I used. And I hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.